everybody, welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Jamie and this is Ross.
What are we making today, Jamie?
Today we thought, we were looking around, we found a drink called the Millionaire.
Millionaire.
It's a bourbon based drink, so I'm going to get started. We're going to need 4 ounces of bourbon. This is for 2 people.
So it's a very bourbon forward kind of drink, right?
Yep.
Okay.
4 ounces of bourbon. We're going to need 1.5 ounces of Grand Marnier. Do you mind grabbing me an egg out of the fridge?
Yep. That.
Perfect. We're going to do just a little bit of Grenadine. Got the egg. Perfect.
There you go. We don't need much Grenadine.
Just a little bit.
And then the next ingredient that we're going to add is called Pastis de Marseille. And it is a licorice-based liqueur from France. And you do not need much of it. Probably like a capful for every drink, if that. Because it's very strong. It adds a great flavor, but you don't need much of it. Jamie's going to go and separate that egg. We don't use a lot of the Pastis de Marseille, but in France, it is the most sought after liqueur that they drink there. And in fact, there's a drink called the Milk of Marseille, and it has this liqueur with lemon juice and water, and they put it together, and it almost creates like a milky sort of a look to it, and it's drank a lot there.
Yep.
We probably aren't going to make that on Thirsty Thursday.
Maybe not.
No.
I'm also going to add half a lemon squeezed.
Okay. And because we're going with an egg yolk,
Egg white.
Jamie's going to...
We're going to dry shake it. So we're not going to put any ice in it yet. We're going to shake it, help develop the egg white, add a little bit of ice, and then we're going to strain it into the glass.
Okay, give it a shot. Let's hope it doesn't explode. That's happened to us on episode 6, 18, 24, and 53.
It definitely happens. Okay, so I think I've definitely got the egg white going.
Okay.
I'm going to stop. I'm going to add a little bit of ice.
Okay.
Not a lot, just
enough to chill it off a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's frothed and it's cooled off. All right, here is the Millionaire. Okay. Well, that is pretty thick, eh? Mm-hmm. You can definitely smell the licorice in it. Okay. Okay, let's give this Millionaire a shot. The Millionaire, cheers.
Bourbon I like.
Definitely bourbon in there.
Yeah.
The Grand Marnier actually sweetens it up a little bit because it's got that orange in there. That's actually a pretty good drink.
Yeah.
You're not going to put down too many of these, but...
you can taste the pastis.
Yeah, it's got a little bit
in there. But I'm glad we didn't overpower it.
No, for sure. Cheers, everyone.